Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. So in this video, we will discuss about how to start your preparation for Tamil Nadu Drug Inspector. You know that already recently Tamil Nadu Drug Inspector notification released. Totally 9 posts are there, and these are exam based and no need of interview also. Merit based, they will select the candidates. And here many students are asking that what is the strategy, how to start preparation regarding this Tamil Nadu Drug Inspector. So here I came up with a plan. Definitely it will helpful for you and definitely it is useful for you. At the moment there is no clarity on the date of exam. I hope you already started your preparation because 9 post only there, competition is there. But once you selected, your life will be like I hope there is a in Tamil movie also Vikram is there. So in Vikram at the end of the like climax, in the climax there is a cameo of our star Surya. So lifetime settlement. Definitely, this is also like a lifetime settlement. Once you get it, not only salary, you will get more allowances in the form of different routes. So you can understand the different route once you qualified, once you selected. So first have a look on the, yes, you know that already there are two papers, paper 1, paper 2. Subject is general studies regarding paper 1, general science, current events, geography, history, polity, economics, aptitude, mental ability. And objective MCQ, 150 questions, paper 1, and that is for 3 hours. And paper 2, drugs and pharmaceuticals, that is also for 150 marks and 3 hours. And syllabus overview. If you see the syllabus overview, paper 1, general studies, general science, current events, geography, history and culture of India, Indian polity, Indian economy, aptitude, mental ability, etc. etc. And regarding the paper 2, drugs and pharmaceuticals, yes, different topics from the pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, toxicology, pharmacology, biochemistry, microbiology, industrial pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, pharmacy practice. And regarding the syllabus also, I already made a detailed video in our GDC English class YouTube channel. You can go there also. And here, my main intention is to give some idea and strategies how to start your preparation and how to make a good preparation to crack this drug inspector post, especially in your point of view. So regarding the important strategies, understand the syllabus thoroughly. So don't okay, I have to study, I have to go through the books, I have to mug up the things, I have to butty the things. So don't go for this. First, understand the syllabus thoroughly. Analyze each topic and make a realistic plan. Okay, these are the subjects and these are the topics from these subjects, and make a little plan. So don't think like that. Okay, without plan also I will go. No problem. So you want to study for next to 4 to 6 months. First, make a plan by working on 1 or 2 days. Then you will get some clarity. Groundwork is always important, and especially the legendary Abdul Kalam sir also told that the persons who believe in the impossible, they make the possible things. And definitely you are also like that only. And it is not about always having the knowledge. You may having 100% knowledge. You may having 1000% knowledge. But you have to make them in a correct line, in a proper way for particular occasion with focus as well as a discipline. So with focus and discipline, you convert your knowledge into the your goal creation, goal achievement, and make a study plan. Whatever it may be, make a study plan. For example, if I am preparing for some exam, today I will go for some subject and I will study the subject for 2 or 3 hours in thoroughly, and I will revise that 2 to 3 hours content. And after that conference, I will practice the MCQs. After practicing MCQs, again I will revise the particular topic what I studied on that particular day. So that is the you have to follow that. So divide the syllabus into weekly goals. Allocate more time for a weak topics. So where you are feeling difficult for that particular topic, you allot more time. Give more time to particular topics. Next, focus on basics. This is very important. Without basics and conceptual knowledge, you are unable to remember the things for a long time. Basics are very essential. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 hour time, but if you understand the basic level concept, you can remember the everything easily. For example, regarding the pharmacology point of view, receptors are like formulas from the pharmacology. Like how formulas are important in the mathematics. If you understand the formula, you can derive the problem. It is 2 or 3 pages easily. Like that, if you understand the receptor pharmacology, you can understand each drug mechanism, side effects as well as clinical uses. and build a stronger concepts from the standard books before moving to the advanced level. And even you know that yes, you can go to the standard books, and GDC also providing excellent books for your preparation. And we have drug inspector material plus MCQs, pharmacist material plus MCQs, and everything we have GPAT, NIPAT, drug inspector, pharmacist, theory competitive books plus with MCQs explanation also you have and practice questions. So solve the previous year questions and mock test regularly. So you know that already we started daily live classes from 1 to 2 p.m. in the GDC English classes for Tamil Nadu Drug Inspector. I hope you already following. If not means subscribe to GDC English classes, follow that classes, and within soon we will start the live classes also. Definitely depend on your demand. Okay. Next, revision is a very key thing. So I already told to you how much knowledgeable person you are. That is not a matter. Ultimately, you qualified in the exam is matter. Okay, in 10th you got 500. In intermediate you got good marks. That are the secondary. Ultimately, before entering into job, what hard work you done, that will be decides your job as well as your pay scale. Okay, so drug inspector is excellent chance. So believe in yourself. You are going to making the impossible thing to possible. Only 9 posts are there. In that 9 posts, we have to get 1 post. That is depend on your belief. You have to believe first. You have to believe. I hope again I am telling about Abdul Kalam sir. So initially they carried that rocket things. Means you know that Abdul Kalam sir also very famous regarding our science and technology, especially delivering rockets to the space. So initially the small segments of total rocket they traveled by using bicycles. Nowadays big lorries, big vehicles are came. But at that time 1960s, at that time they carried on a bicycle, so on long distance, for a long distance, because they have a dream, they believed, and today you know the result. So like that also you can do it. You have to think, you have to get 1 post from that 9. That is your mentality, your attitude should be like that. So wake up daily, only 4 to 6 months, only 4 to 6 months. If you done the hard work and smart work with passion, this 4 to 6 months, next 30 to 35 years, you are in the safe zone regarding professional as well as regarding financial. So for that purpose, this 4 to 6 months, every day, 24 hours is very essential. Okay, wake up, study one topic, revise the topic, practice MCQs. Like that, utilize your more time. If you're really very interested, but you are doing some job, if possible, resign that job for 6 months and focus on this. If you once got this, that 6 months will give many fruitful upcoming years. And even if you preparing for the 6 months also, next there is a RRB pharmacist is there, other pharmacist is there, central drug inspector also there. So sacrifice 6 months to 1 year for yourself. That will give next 30 to 35 years professional as well as financial freedom to you. And going further, preparation tips. So, what are the preparation tips I want to give to you? So, first thing is definitely the revision is very key. Without revision, after revision, we have to practice MCQs immediately. Okay, today I studied receptors. I studied very well. I understand it very well, and I revised and I practiced MCQs. After practicing MCQs on the receptors, again revise the same topic. So that will strengthen the things. Okay, next. So regarding the preparation tips. So what are the tips I am giving to you? Especially start with the subjects you are comfortable. Generally, I am comfortable with pharmacology. Yes, I will start with that. And use the standard books and reliable study materials. Yes, you can go to the standard books and follow our GDC materials. You know that GDC material is well known across the India since 10 years. Many students are using and they are qualifying in their respective exams. Make your own notes for important topics. This is very important. So one side you are studying by using our GDC books and one side make a important topics like a short note, pinpoints. That should be with a neat handwriting. Okay. Follow current affairs daily newspapers, TNPC monthly current affairs, solve objective questions daily to improve speed and accuracy. So compulsory practice MCQs daily, 1 hour, because that will improve your accuracy. That will increase your giving correct answers. Take mock test and analyze your performance. Stay consistent and avoid long breaks. Maintain short notes for quick revision. believe in yourself and stay positive. That is very, very important. Whatever things are going surrounding you, around you, be positive. Try to stabilize your brain mentally as well as physically. Okay. Next, recommended study plan. I hope definitely there is a 4 to 6 month time will be there. So month one, complete general study syllabus, NCRT plus standard books. Month two, complete aptitude and mental ability plus practice questions. 3 to 5, focus on the drugs and pharmaceutical subject syllabus. Month six, revision of the both papers previous year questions. And last 30 days, mock test plus final revision plus short. So this is one simple strategy. Just I mentioned. I hope definitely this will helpful to you. And this is based on also date of examination. Date of examination, whatever it may be, stick to one thing. Yes, I want to go for this qualification and I want to settle as a drug inspector in my Tamil Nadu itself. So first your mindset is important. You have to first decide in your mind. Once here you decided, the process is going well, automatically you will reach your goal. That is a simple thing. And this is a recommendation study plan. Okay. So monthly wise I given. Okay, follow this. And not only pharmacy syllabus, focus on the non-pharma syllabus. That is also very, very important. Okay, next important test notes. So my suggestion is always, if we have sufficient knowledge, go through the GDC materials. GDC materials are given by the GPAT and NIPER qualified experts, and the materials are prepared and the MCQs are prepared based on the previous year question papers only. So many students are using our GDC books and they succeeded in their respective GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector, Pharmacist and other related pharma competitive exams. So regarding the textbook point of view, for paper 1, so Samachar, that is NCRT books 6 to 12th, and Lucent's General Knowledge, Arahant General Knowledge, RS Agarwal Quantitative Aptitude, TNPSC Current Affairs Monthly like Shankar IAS, government sources, etc. And for the pharmacy, so BK Sharma for the chemistry and Swarbrick Encyclopedia of Pharmaceutical Technology and Dr. Tripathi Pharmacology, Dr. Kokate Pharmacognosy, Indian Pharmacopoeia and drugs and cosmetic rules and governmental websites. Okay, so this is a general thing regarding the textbooks. Don't worry. Start your preparation. So I am telling clearly, your mindset is very, very clear. You are going to getting this Tamil Nadu drug inspector post in your Tamil Nadu itself. So in 9 post, you are getting one post. So that is sure. But start your preparation. If anything is there, you can contact me. You can comment in the video comment box and go to the description for the any important information and start your preparation. You are going to making the impossible things to possible with the focusness, with the discipline. And only routine is wake up, fix some plan. Yesterday itself, day before yesterday itself, fix some plan. Because follow this only 6 months. Only 6 months. If you are really very serious about your life, about your family, taking care. So it is depend on yours, it is depend on your shoulders, and it is depend on damn 6 months. This 6 months is going to decide your future. Start your preparation. This preparation will be useful for next exams also. And you are preparing for this drug inspector like yes, this 6 months is giving a lifetime settlement to my next 30 to 35 years. Okay, if I studied very hard with the discipline, with the focus, with the proper plan, my next 30 to 35 years are going to be in standard position, in a lifetime settlement position. Keeping that in mind. Okay, all the best.